God is BTV. Hey. Welcome back to God is BTV, y'all, where I just be doing my own damn thing. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, sis. Big brother, don't forget to subscribe. Y'all, today is Tuesday, January 26th. My mama's birthday is Friday. I got to see what I'm going to get her for her birthday. What do you get someone who has everything already? I mean, really, what do you get them? But anyways, y'all, I've been kind of lazy today, except for like promoting for my business week. I have been quite unproductive, but it's okay because it's been gloomy and kind of rainy today. So I have to work tomorrow and Thursday, so I think I'm going to cook something. And I want something kind of warm and something that's going to stick because I am thick, country thick with it. Hello, down south. Okay, sis. But anyway, so I think I'm going to make like some chili with turkey or something because the beef, I can't do the beef, sis. That's just me. But anyways, I'm going to make it with like ground turkey or something like that. And then maybe like make like a kale salad. Just something just real delicious and fulfilling. Something that's going to feel good inside of my soul. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get things prepared. Turn me on a little bit of music probably. And I'm going to get to chopping up these veggies and things like that. And then I'll let y'all spend some time with me tonight. And I am going to do maybe my full moon bath tonight. I'm not sure if I'm going to do my full moon bath tonight. But it's going to be a bubble bath, sis. And it's going to be so delightful. So y'all just chill right quick. And I'll be right back. Okay? Y'all, I lied. I don't feel like making no damn chili, okay? So I'm going to just make the salad, and I'm going to chop that up, and y'all can watch me do it. How about that? And I'm going to put a whole bunch of stuff inside of it, so I'll make sure that I get full off of it. And then we can move along with the rest of our evening. How about that? Okay? All right. All right, y'all. So I already had an English cucumber I had chopped up in here already. Let me move this stuff out of the way. Don't judge my damn life. So, yeah, I got some English cucumber already chopped up in here. I'm going to use the avocado. I'm going to use some Trader Joe's feta cheese. I'm going to put some fresh broccoli in it. I got a couple, I ain't got but a couple tomatoes left, y'all. But this is the only kind of tomatoes I really like in my salad. And I just eat these just for no reason sometimes, just for a snack. So, anyways, I'm going to use the rest of those. I really like these chopped salad kits. They're kind of pricey, but I love them. So I'm gonna mix some of this in with some romaine, and I was almost out of this, so I had to go get another one. And I'm gonna put some baby bella mushrooms in it, and then I'm going to also add some fresh parsley, Italian parsley. Y'all, I've been eating the hell out of this lately. I don't know what it is, but it just tastes so fresh. Like, I don't know. I know it looked real mangled and messed up, but I'm going to eat the hell out of it with the salad. Yeah, so I'm going to just chop up all of this stuff, and then I'm going to put some additives with it as well. And yeah, let me get busy. Of course, sis, I'm about to wash all of these vegetables, except for those because they're already clean. Alright, so I washed my mushrooms. I got my lettuce washed. I'm going to take a little bit of this spinach out of the bag. And it says it's washed and clean, but I'm going to still rinse off a little bit of it. And I'm not using a lot of this, just some. Yes, sis. I'm about to wipe the knife off. I'm about to rinse it off before I start back cutting my vegetables, okay? All right. Shit. And y'all, this dressing that comes with these salad kits, it tastes really, really good. This is my favorite one right here. It's like sweet kale. And they got pumpkin seeds and craisins and stuff in it too. So I don't pour all of that into the big bowl. I kind of just add it on top of my individual serving. I don't like the stalks on the mushrooms, sis. That's just me, and I don't like big chunks of mushroom either. So I'm going to chop these smaller than what they are, and everything will be okay. These are already washed, and they are ready. Put a little chop in here. So the way I do my salads, y'all, I don't toss everything together. I kind of just put it to the side. So I'm going to put that like that. And then when I dig out of it during the week, I kind of just get whatever it is on the side that I want more of on my salad. Put some red onion. And I'm just put these on the side as well. Got me some broccoli right here. I'm gonna just cut stalks off of it. And then they just come apart. So I'm gonna put these on the side as well. I already washed my little few tomatoes. If I had more of them, y'all, I would add more. Trust me, because I love these. My cucumber. I had a little bit of carrot that I had shaved into it, but I ate all of it. So I'm going to just put some of the English cucumber on the side over here. And then I'm going to put the rest of these up because I like to dip these in ranch dressing and eat them as a snack. Or with vinegar, salt, pepper. Yeah, all of that. All of that country shit. So this is my finished product in a big bowl. Of course, I'm going to put some nuts and craisins. And I'm going to slice up my avocado to put on top when I get ready to eat. But I'm actually not going to eat dinner right now because I want to go ahead and do my self-care rituals, my self-love things, and yeah. So I'll chop up the avocado, slice that up, put it on top of my salad. And I'm also going to use this stuff that came with the kit. But if I didn't have this stuff right here, I would just add like croutons, the feta cheese, and like a little bit of ranch or something. Ranch is my favorite. I know it's not the healthiest, but it's my favorite. But I've been trying to learn how to make my own dressings. So I haven't had very much luck with that yet. So y'all just chill out for a minute and then I'll be right back. Okay? Thanks. All right, y'all. So it's like 6:20, 6:25, something like that right now. And I am about to steam my face, and I'm going to go ahead and wash my face up and stuff like that and go ahead and run my bath. Now, I'm not going to share everything with y'all, but I'm going to show y'all how this bath about to be. Sis, this bath is going to be everything. Y'all just chill. Wait on it. Steamer does, it really just opens your pores and everything up. So whatever products you use on your face, it just helps open your pores so the product can penetrate deeper into your pores. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna light me some incense, and these were a gift and I love them. I love every last one of them that's in here. It's a variety pack. I used all of the Nag Champa first, and patchouli is just about gone, but tonight I am going to light some lavender. So y'all, got my own blend of bath stuff together that I'm going to use for detox, and also because it's going to make my skin super soft and it's very relaxing and it's going to help me sleep really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my bath. This is actually one of my little me down candles that I done burnt to a crisp, y'all. I love every second of this candle. For real. I got them available on my site, but only in the huge size. So sorry, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead now. I'm gonna add some Dr. Teal's Relax and Relief. Y'all, I showed you the back of the bottle. Good look. Blessings. That bath was everything. I'm about to lotion up with this right here, sis. If you have not tried this Natural Fusions Rose and Coconut Body Lotion, you need to try this. It make your skin feel like an infant. For real, sis. I'm serious. An infant. But anyways, I'm going to put my fluffy socks on with the little grippies under the bottom and some shorts in this top. And then I'm gonna put my fluffy robe on, and then I'm gonna go eat because I'm about to starve, and I see y'all in a minute. I got one of my other candles lit, cause yes, sis, you already know it's a whole mood. But I'm gonna use some of this aromatherapy sleep in my diffuser, and yeah, I just pour it in there, sis. I don't really be measuring nothing out. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fix my salad with all these goodies, and I'm going to eat some of this smoked salmon. If you know me, then you know I love seafood, I love sushi, I love stuff like that. So I'm gonna eat some of these smoked salmon slices with some cream cheese on some of these Brayton original crackers, and I'm gonna put some smoked paprika on it, and I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna bust this food down, y'all. I ain't about to play with it at all. And there it is, sis. How about it? I got my smoked salmon with some whipped cream cheese, and I sprinkled a little parsley on that thing, that little Italian parsley on that thing for y'all, just for me being dramatic, y'all. I just thought it looked cute. But anyways, here go my salad over here. Chill mode. Like, my food was good. I got my candles. I got my diffuser going over here. I'm feeling just laid back, eyes low, because I'm tired, and that's the only reason why. So I appreciate y'all watching, though, if you did watch. You know, I know it ain't nothing exciting or whatever. I just want to share with y'all some of the things that I do on my evenings at home, or when I'm just chilling or relaxing. Sometimes reading a book. Sometimes I'm just chilling. Sometimes I lay in my bed and research for like hours, just researching all kind of stuff, y'all. My mind is constantly craving like knowledge about something, regardless of what it is, whether it's business related, whether it's spirituality, whether it's how to do whatever. Just, I'm constantly learning something. I'm always trying to elevate, and I'm always doing something with my brain. So it's like 9, like I said, and I'm gonna get in my bed, y'all. I got to work in the morning. So I am going to try to be asleep by like 10:30, and I usually get up about 5:30, 5:45, just depends. And I'm gonna go ahead and go to work, y'all, tomorrow. So I hope y'all have a blessed evening. And once again, I appreciate you watching Goddess BTV, where I just be doing my own damn thing. Peace, y'all. Good night.